Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for hanging out with me today on another special Glitter Girls collaboration. This month it's all about breast cancer awareness, but with a little bit of spookiness. So I already have my base color on, which is Akira Sky Thermal Changing Polish, and I used a holographic glitter topping. So now we are all ready for the stamping. So for this Halloween set, I'm gonna go for some crazy blood splats, creepy looking eyes, bats, and skulls. I don't have a Halloween plate per se, but I do have a couple of plates from Queen and Clear Jelly that definitely can be used for Halloween. So yeah, everyone, I hope you all are having a wonderful day. It's Thursday, it's almost Friday. Thank you so much for tuning in, and happy Halloween, Samhain, Day of the Dead to you all. Let me know in the comments down below what you do on October 31st. I love to spend time with family this time of year and look back at old photo albums, remember our past loved ones, and forget all of the bad habits and set new positive goals. Alright, so that was the ring finger. I put some skulls, the scream face, and now I'm going to go ahead and fix up those cuticles with the blood. Alright, now for the middle finger and the pointer finger, I will be putting the eyes. And this plate comes from Clear Jelly Stamper, and I absolutely love the design on these eyes. You can make them more beautiful like or totally creepy like this, and I love it. I actually really like the red over the pink as well. Let me know what you all think in the comments below. I'm making the eye a little bit more creepier, defining it with a red pupil. So today I am using my Big Bling Clear Jelly Stamper. I have switched back to this one recently as my Queen $5 transparent stamper. It just keeps popping out every time I try to go stamp with it. It just plops right out. I think I overused it, but that just brings me back to Clear Jelly and just never disappoints. Ever. I've had this stamper going on 7 months, and it comes with 2 stampers, and I'm still using the first one. I haven't even replaced it yet. So this is my favorite. And for the pinky, you all, I'm going to be putting some cute, beautiful black bats. And for the black stamping polish, I'm actually using Hollow Taco 1 coat black, and it works perfect for a stamping polish. I still need to do a Hollow Taco manicure on my own nails. And you all, as for the thumb, I designed this cute galaxy-like nail, and I think it is perfect just the way it is. No stamping needed. And this is the manicure without the top coat, and today I'll be using Akira Sky's No Wipe Gel Top Coat. I love gel top coats to top any kind of stamping manicures. It is always 100% guarantee smudge free, and Akira Sky's top coat is my favorite. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite gel top coat is. As you can see, I am in need of a new manicure. These are my natural nails with just a regular gel polish. Like I've said before, gel polish does not work on my nails without chipping, and even my natural nails breaking. I need some sort of strength for a manicure to last 2 to 3 weeks. And polygel and dip are the only systems that will allow me to have a full set of manicure of nails that last 3 weeks. Just gel polish alone will not cut it. So I am in need of a new manicure. This is going on 2 weeks. So yeah, I think I will be doing some polygel extensions. I miss having long nails. Let me know in the comments below what type of nails you are currently sporting. I am so jelly over my Flexi's manicure. I want this thumbnail all over my fingers right now. I love this design, you guys. It's so gorgeous. I never realized how pink and black look good together. So yeah, everyone, I hope you have a beautiful day with your family and friends. Be safe. We will be carving our pumpkins and spending time with family, like I said, and just enjoying the beautiful end of summer as we enter the winter. And I definitely feel it. It is cold, and I am a baby when it comes to coldness. It is super cold. And yeah, these are the nails for this Glitter Girls collab Halloween breast cancer set. Please check out all of the other girls' YouTube channels and videos, as everyone always does an amazing job. The playlist is in my description below. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast creating this Halloween set. My little Marley loves pumpkins. Thanks everyone for hanging out with me today on another beautiful collaboration with the Glitter Girls. Again, please check out everyone's videos, and I hope you have a beautiful, safe Halloween, Samhain, Day of the Dead. Bye everyone.